Today we talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Olymptrade app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in verse, you just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on settings, just click on it. So then you come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this here. You click here on notifications, just click on it. Then you come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. You come here to platform, just click in this sign. Like you see, this color for us, that's main platform notifications enable with us now. So that's all you have to do to enable platform on your Olymptrade app. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.